Hey everybody, it's Simone with Fami.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Apple OEM USB power adapter. Here we go. The Apple OEM USB power adapter is an ultra-compact and convenient way to keep your USB-based Apple devices running. It's easy to use. Simply plug in your USB cord into the adapter, plug the other end into your device, then plug the adapter into any standard electrical socket. The Apple OEM USB power adapter is now available at Fami.com. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at www.twitter.com/FamiCom and be our friend on Facebook. Just search FamiSpot. Make sure you go and sign up for our newsletter. See you next time.